Welcome back guys. As we discussed in a previous video, the flow of the project. Alright, so what we discussed is that first we are going to discuss about the backend, then Dialogflow and then Nagrok. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the backend of the project. Alright, so as you can see in the first line, we are importing the two libraries, request and JSON file. The request basically it will use for the HTTP request. No, as you can see that if we want the data from the server or we want to update the data on the server, we use HTTP request, and there are four HTTP requests: get, post, update, and delete. Now, in the fourth line, as you can see, we are creating a dictionary. Now, why we are creating a dictionary? Why don't we use an API here? So the thing is, I don't have an API right now. It will takes 2 or 3 days to get that API. So जुगाड़ करने के लिए we are using the dictionary here. Alright. So as you can see, we have the four currencies here. Alright. Indian currency, United dollars, Canadian and Australian, and उनके रिस्पेक्ट में हमारे पास कुछ वैल्यूज दे रखी है. ना अगर आप उसके नीचे आए 9th लाइन पे, so as you can see we have the app dot route. Basically जो slash है ये फ्लास्क से आपको एक route बताएगा सर्वर पे, and method is equal to post करा हुआ है because we want to post our result or submitted our result onto the server that will be fetched by the Dialogflow. Alright, now we are creating a function called index. So the first is the data. Now what data variable doing is that it will get the data from the Dialogflow, which is a type of a JSON. Alright, after that we created a three variables: source currency, amount and target currency. Now अब क्या होता है कि हर एक JSON डेटा का एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है. Alright, so I will discuss about that in the next video. Alright, so as you can see source currency निकालने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ा कि जो हमारे पास डेटा था, जिसमें हमारे पास JSON डेटा था, उसके अंदर उस JSON डेटा स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर हमारे पास कुछ पैरामीटर्स थे. फर्स्ट वन इज क्वेरी रिजल्ट. क्वेरी रिजल्ट के अंदर आया पैरामीटर्स. पैरामीटर्स के अंदर आया यूनिट करेंसी, एंड यूनिट करेंसी से मिला हमको करेंसी विच इज बेसिकली योर सोर्स करेंसी. नाउ सेम फॉर द अमाउंट. डेटा के अंदर क्वेरी रिजल्ट, एंड क्वेरी रिजल्ट के अंदर फिर पैरामीटर्स, पैरामीटर के अंदर यूनिट करेंसी एंड देन अमाउंट, एंड सेम goes for the target currency. Alright, then we are printing this four things here. It is not that important. So now next is to the current dictionary. Now what we want is to convert our source currency into the target currency. Alright, so what we are doing is to get that currency we are using a variable to current dictionary is equal to UPI currency, which is our the dictionary where we have our key pair values of the currencies here. Alright, and the first thing that we are passing here, that is our source currency. Alright, what we already have, like if you are talking about that 5000 INR to USD, here INR will be the source currency. Okay, so we are passing the INR to the UPI currency that will get the line, this line, to the current dictionary. Now afterwards what it does, we are using the if else statement to convert that value. Now how we get the target currency here, same goes. Now once we have the current dictionary, we are going for the target currency. Alright, now it will search for the target currency here like USD, and it will get the value of the USD here. Alright, afterwards what it does to the converted amount into the converted value. Alright, that is what is doing here. Afterwards we are using the pass keyword here. अब pass keyword हम यूज इसलिए करते हैं कि हमको अभी कोई एरर नहीं चाहिए, राइट, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे इस पास कीवर्ड का यूज करते हैं. आफ्टरवर्ड्स हमने क्या किया, एक रिस्पॉन्स नाम की एक डिक्शनरी बनाई जिसमें हमने एक फॉर्मेट दिया. अब ना हमको सर्वर पे अपना डेटा किस तरीके से भेजना है, हमने उसको एक फॉर्मेट दिया, ठीक है ना, ना फुलफिलमेंट नाम दिया उसको, ठीक है, फॉर्मेट दे दिया, ठीक है, अमाउंट, सोर्स करेंसी, कन्वर्टेड अमाउंट एंड टारगेट करेंसी, ठीक है। आफ्टरवर्ड्स हमने क्या किया, रिटर्न जेसन फाइल रिस्पॉन्स। अब क्या हुआ, जो हमारे पास जो रिस्पॉन्स था वो एक डिक्शनरी थी, वो एक जेसन डेटा स्ट्रक्चर पे नहीं था। अब ना हम कोई भी जब डेटा कोई भी सर्वर पे डालते हैं तो एक जेसन की फॉर्म में होता है। सो इस डिक्शनरी को जेसन की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम जेसन फाइल फंक्शन का यूज करते हैं। Alright, so it will convert the response dictionary to the JSON file data structure. Afterwards, we are using app.run debug is equal to true. Basically, what it does, our projects in a developing mode, so we want to see everything, every error on the server, so we can solve it. Alright, that is the whole backend for this project. Now, thank you for watching this video. As for the next video, in the next video we are going to discuss about the Dialogflow, as well as how we are going to connect Dialogflow with our backend and integrate with our Telegram or our websites. Alright, so thank you once again. Please keep watching the videos.